everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. Now today we have a 2018 Tesla Model X 75D and we're going to take it for a drive. But first, if you did not see my other video, you can open up the doors with the key that looks like the Model X. Here comes the door, and you can do it on the other side. I would never get sick of seeing these Falcon doors. They're just so cool. So if you just do the exact opposite, they go down just like that. All right, let's take this thing out for a drive. Let's hit that button right there and lets me in. Oh, look at you. Thank you, sir. Now, when you put your foot on the brake, the car door will automatically close. Thank you. Oh, the seat keeps going up on me too. All right, let's take this thing out for a drive. Now, as with any Teslas, if you have the key on you, which I do, which is right here, you have your foot on the brake, all you do is go into drive and you are ready to go. So we have 165 miles of range, and this car has the huge 17-inch display. I talked about all that in my other video, so here we go. All right, we're coming up to Lisbon here. We're gonna give her the full beans. Now this car has about the equivalent of about 518 horsepower. And they say it'll go to 0 to 60 in 4.9, but we're gonna test that out. Okay, ready? Wow, it's just speed. It's just outright speed. It's quiet speed. I mean, that's awesome. I mean, this car is gonna put a smile on your face. Absolutely. It's got the cool doors, all the technology, and it's just. Obviously, the torque is so instant; it just punches you in the back when you just rip on it. All right, here we go. It really gives you a sensation of like a roller coaster. Like you just get that feeling in your stomach. You know, with like normal gasoline-powered cars, you have a sound that goes with it because you know, like revs are approaching. But with this, it's just an outright gut punch. It just gets you. I mean, it's awesome. That's the best thing with electric cars is that instant torque. All right, we're gonna do a little POV drive and get on the highway again in a second. Now, before we rip it and get on the highway, here's just a little view of what it's like to drive this car. I said in the other thing, I don't really have any complaints about this interior. I think the quality is nice, the wood grain looks nice, but I almost feel like I wish the steering wheel might be a little bit better quality. It's not a bad steering wheel, I just wish it was a little different, and these turn signal stocks feel a little bit cheap too. But other than that, I really don't have any complaints about anything inside this car as far as quality. I love the way the door handles look. We're just gonna very quickly go by this person. Look, that Ford is getting on it too. But yeah, this is a fun car to drive for sure, and it definitely ticks all the boxes for performance and style, and all the technology that comes with it. But yeah, I like how I prefer the display of this as opposed to like the Model 3 and the Model Y that just had the one big screen right there. I like how this has the dash in front of you, like every other car that was made before this. I just like that. I just prefer that better. Yeah, and you just feel like you're in like a spaceship just because the windshield is just so high up there. I mean, that is so cool. That is also one of the coolest parts of this car is how far up the windshield goes. Even right here on the display right there, I think it is actually telling me that there's a truck in front of me. You see that? So it shows the car that's going by you. Now it's gonna have a car up on the left right here. See? I mean, that's just really cool. That technology is just, it is still amazing to witness that, after all these times driving a car like this. So we're gonna get on the highway and give her the beans. We're gonna try out the Warp Speed. Now, even this being a 75D, the dual motor, 75 kilowatt hour battery, this thing still hauls some serious ass. So I will demonstrate that adequately in 3, 2, 1, go. Yep, that's highway speed. That's very fast. Yep. I mean, get out of here. It's just so fast. I mean, it's faster than any SUV really needs to be. Oh, no. Go. was messed up in that line over there. Now, as a car driving on the highway, this feels, I mean, I say this in all the electric cars that I drive, but it just feels very peaceful. I mean, you don't have to worry about the noise of an engine. You just have all this huge windshield above you, and this car could definitely chew up the miles on the highway, and that is what I say all the time. But I think could be definitely a comfortable SUV for your family and all your other trips. Yeah, it's nice. Take control immediately. Vehicle departing lane. I didn't mean to do that, Mr. Tesla. So yeah, again, I'm going to say it again. This would be an awesome car for highway driving. I mean, with Tesla and the whole, community around them, I think there's a passion for electric cars like this, and this car is one of the better ones I think I've driven. It really ticks all the boxes. It has the cool gimmicky Falcon doors, which I think are silly, but they're still cool. But you've got the performance, the unique styling, the technology that goes with Tesla, and all the stuff that you can do on the screen right there. I mean, it really makes for an impressive family SUV that is environmentally friendly. So I'm definitely impressed with this car. I knew I would be, and I'm glad to check this off the list. And now I've driven every modern Tesla, and I would love to get my hands on a Cybertruck or the Roadster, obviously, when that comes out. Those are going to be very controversial yet impressive electric cars in their own right. So this is going to wrap up my time with this. The 2018 Tesla Model X. It was funny, the garage door just automatically opened as I came back. And so what else can you say about this SUV? It's impressive. All the technology is there. It's fast as hell, even in the lowest trim. I mean, it's impressive. Teslas have still, after all these years, they still make a decent product. And this is the way to get it as a used SUV. This is an 18, and that's a 3-year-old SUV essentially. But yeah, Tesla, this Model X, awesome. Fun to drive. It's unique looking. The technology is there. It basically checks all the boxes. So let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below about the Model X. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, where you can see the cars and SUVs and electric cars that I drive before they get posted to YouTube. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.